Hi, this is Plymouth County Sheriff Joe McDonald, and I am speaking to you today, Friday, May 8th, to give you an update as to how we are progressing and coping during this COVID-19 crisis. I wanted to let people know that our census here at the correctional facility continues to decline. We are at 658 inmates today. Our testing procedures are proceeding as usual according to CDC and the Department of Public Health guidelines. The testing numbers have come back in. We have been very, very lucky. Only 2 inmates have tested positive, both of those inmates coming to us from the outside with the virus. Our policies, procedures that we have implemented have helped us to identify those individuals, to isolate those individuals, and to get them the treatment that they need. And the good news is both of those individuals are doing well under the treatment and care of our medical staff. I also want to mention that 3 of our staff have tested positive for the COVID virus. One of them is fully recovered, and this goes back several weeks, perhaps a month. And we have 2 individuals who are currently doing well. One of them is a correctional officer and one who works in our civil office. They are both at home, they are recovering, they are doing well under self-quarantine in the care of their doctors. I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the good things that are taking place here. The quantity and quality of the personal protective gear has improved tremendously. We are now seeing sufficient supplies coming through from the state. We continue to have MEMA, Massachusetts Emergency Management, help us out, the National Guard. We appreciate all of the assistance that they've given us. And on a positive note, I also want to take an opportunity to thank 2 different groups. This week was 2 things, was Corrections Officer Appreciation Week, and a big thanks to them and the great job that they have done. But secondly, our medical staff, it's also Nurses Appreciation Week. So big shout out to our medical staff, our corrections staff, really, and everybody here at the jail who works so hard and are the primary reason that our numbers are as good as they are. I also wanted to mention before I sign off that if people are thinking about these things, please check our website. Our Safety Assurance Program is a telephone calling program at no cost that will check in on your loved ones who may be quarantined or stuck at home. On those instances that you can't check in on them, something that we can do for free. So check our website. If you have questions, please feel free to call us. And again, I want to thank everybody. I thank you for watching, and I thank our staff here for the great hard work that they've done, and I thank God that we have progressed as well as we have. Thank you.